ordinary fridge. This is not even fridge.
Hi, Nathan Mays here with another amazing adventure called Silly Maze!
No, we're not doing that, Nathan. We're doing the Charlie's Fridge.
Okay. Even though Silly Maze is 10 times better than this piece of shit-talking mushroom, let's do it anyway, okay? Right here you got your state-of-the-art water. And then as soon as you open the door, you got your state-of-the-art lighting. And as soon as you press this little dangling button right here, the light shuts off. And as soon as that's done, you got your Frankie's Red Hot. I've never met the guy personally, but it says it on the bottle. That dude's gotta be smoking. And then you got your Mep syrup. Best Mep syrup in New York State. And then you got your ginger ale. What else do I gotta say about the ginger ale? I mean, come on, it's ginger ale. Let's go to the creator of Charlie's Fridge.
Hi, I'm Charlie, owner of Charlie's Fridge. How do I know my fridge is amazing? Because I bought it. Where I buy it doesn't matter. I'm selling my fridge for $1 million. Then I'm going to buy another fridge and sell that one for $1 million.